What's up, everybody? Super excited today because something special has come in the mail and I cannot wait to show you, so let's just go ahead and get to it. Introducing the 2.0 Giulia GTAM front bumper kit. We have just received this. The box truck just left. Delivery driver just delivered us this kit. Super excited. Cannot wait to throw this thing on the car. First things first, let's talk about this specific kit. So the manufacturer we use and that we will be listing on the website, they make sure to send this thing packaged well so that it gets to you in one piece. So it came in a big heavy wooden box. And the important piece about that is that you can take your OEM bumper and you can put it back in this box, right? So now you have a place to store your OEM bumper, because if you're like me, I'm not going to throw my OEM bumper away. I can store it safely in this box. Okay, moving on. Everything came bubble wrap, triple, layer bubble wrap. It was great. Obviously, we've already done that piece. Let's talk about the bumper itself. So, we've got a fiberglass bumper here that is actually really, really lightweight. It's lighter than the OEM bumper, which is a good thing. And it's pretty flexible, which means that hopefully it won't be too much of a hassle for the painter and the body shop folks to install. It's got this carbon inlay front lip here, which is a really nice touch. It's got all of the nice race-inspired grill mesh here. It's just a really aggressive, really good-looking front bumper. You guys have seen the Alfa Romeo GTM. You know what that looks like. Here we have our carbon inlays. These are actually all real carbon. They look absolutely amazing. The carbon weave in there is fantastic. Really nice high gloss finish. This is gonna look amazing. The Scudetto, the V here, will sit in there just like that. Okay. So we're not the first to do this, obviously. Modded Motors, the pioneers of this platform, they've done it. A couple of other people have put the GTAM front bumper on the 2.0. So now we're joining the club and we're gonna have some fun. We're about to take this over to the painter here shortly so that they can start sanding this down, prepping it, color matching it. And then in a couple of days, hopefully by, as soon as late next week, we can actually get this thing installed on the car. So we're super excited. Can't wait, and stay tuned to see how it turns out.